Today I'm going to be unboxing something a little different. It's the Spigen Glas.tR screen protectors with the Alignmaster for the Pixel 4a 5G. I got it. So let's open this up, put this on. I've used these type of screen protectors before. I have one on my iPhone 12 Pro, and it's really easy to install. All you need to do is just use the template and place the screen protector in there. Let's see, we got top, this is the Alignmaster. Okay, these are different than the ones for the iPhone. iPhone, it's already got like the screen protector in there, and it's got some tape, and you just push it down onto the phone like that, and you just pull the tape off and pull the tape off the top, and then boom, you just rub it in. This one requires a little bit more work, and it's childproof. I'm having some trouble getting this open. Okay, here we go. There. Okay. Let's see here. Thank you for choosing Spigen. No, thank you. See, we got two screen protectors. This is a twofer. Alright. Yeah, see, it's just like the ones with the iPhone, but iPhone ones, they're already like hooked up in the template and stuff. All you gotta do is just like pull the tape off and boom. It's easy to apply. Let's see the instructions for this. Okay, we got some wipes, some instructions, got a squeegee. I'm gonna put the other one to the side. Let me see here. Try and open this up. I'm gonna get my knife. I just wanted this to be like a simple little video because it's not that hard. If you have trouble applying screen protectors yourself, this is what you should be using, because I'm terrible, because I always have it on crooked. Like I'll have the top part on right, but at the bottom, screen protector is like maybe like a centimeter or a millimeter like to the left or to the right. I can never get them on just straight. Let's see what we got. Alright, got cleaning cloth. We got two wipes. Let's save that for the other one. And since I've already done this before, I've been installing screen protectors on my phone for years. I don't really need to look at the instructions, I don't think. I don't know, I say that now, but I probably don't have to look at it. Okay, first, gonna wipe off the phone. Make sure you clean the edges too. Don't just clean the screen. And get that nice and clean. Get rid of all the fingerprints. There. Make sure you get the sides, the top, get the bottom. Okay, there. That's done. Now, oh my god, it closed again. Are you kidding me? Okay, I got it. Okay. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, dust removal stickers. They get rid of those nasty looking little bits of paper. Okay, yeah, bubbles is saying go that way. And then, alright, cool. Alright, do not throw away. Of course not. I got like a bunch of these things in my nightstand. I never throw these away. And if you don't have like dust removal stickers, or you getting screen protectors that don't have like a template, you can just use some Scotch tape. That's usually what I do. Let's get this real good. There we go.
Advocating for cutting entitlement.
What?
Lying about it. And I gotta
Hold
say,
on.
one thing that's been driving me crazy is they keep
Turn
talking
something
about
on.
from lived experience. I don't know if you.
Oop. My bad. Okay, now put all this stuff to the side. Let's see. I guess all you gotta do now is just put it in here like this. And then, okay, this is the back. Okay, remove this first. Well, it's actually what goes on top. Let's see. Put it in there like that. There. I wish this one had like a. Oh, I didn't grab the doggone what you call it. Okay, I wish this had like a. I got the screen on. There, go off. There. Oh my Jesus. Okay. There. There you go. This was not bad. That was easy. Easier than I thought. Okay, let me see if yeah, works just like last. All right. Okay. Cool. This has been a tutorial on how to install the Glas.tR screen protectors from Spigen. Real easy. Nothing to it. Thanks for watching.